abnormal breath sounds that you should be familiar with. Snoring, caused by partial obstruction of the upper airway, often caused by the tongue. Stridor, a harsh, high-pitched sound heard on inspiration, is common during upper airway obstructions. Croup is an example of an upper airway obstruction commonly found in young children and is usually associated with a seal-like barking cough. Wheezing is generally a whistling sound due to the narrowing of the patient's airways from edema, bronchoconstriction, or foreign body aspiration. Rhonchi is a rattling sound heard in the larger airways caused by excessive mucus. Rales are a bubbling sound heard in the smaller airways, typically when they fill with fluid, commonly encountered with CHF and pulmonary edema.
Is there anyone out there? 'Cause it's getting harder and harder.